Welcome back. A lot has happened since my last message, which was about the closing of Floricopia. So I have some important updates for you. First, thank you so much. The response to the closing message was just pure gratitude and appreciation, love, sadness that we were going away, and incredible sales. And so deep gratitude from me for that kind of support. Just hearing from all of you who were so sad that we were closing and helping us with our financial situation in the closing process. You basically bought all of our inventory, and that was a lot. So thank you very much. Now, I have some other really good news and another update that is just as major as that one. And that is that the company has been acquired by a wonderful, successful herb company who is very excited to bring the Floricopia oils in to their own product line. So the products that Floricopia has had and brought out and shared with the world and developed with our network of sustainable agroforestry projects and all the unique artisanal distillers everywhere are going to continue on. And I will be associated with the line also. But it's not going to be Floricopia. It's going to be a new company. And I'm going to keep you in suspense about what that company is, who that company is. But I should be able to tell you something very soon. Probably within about a month, we will have everything ready to go on both sides. And in the meantime, please check out everything that's happening over at crowconsultations.com. And thank you again for all of you who have been going over there for consultations and for the educational courses that we have been launching, and we have more coming soon. So that is the update. Again, thank you so much for your support in this closing process. And now the company is going to be reborn in a new form, which has even more potential in many ways than we have had in the past. And I will still be associated with the oils, with the products. I will still be working with distillers to bring out new, unique artisanal oils and develop products and represent the oils and continue to give educational material about the oils. So I hope to see you in about a month. Stay tuned for the next big piece of news.